Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under. I thought I'd started this video and then realised I hadn't. So this is the second part of the British Box unboxing, and I'm just holding this wrapping on. Let's take it off. Now I believe this is a British edition of this razor. We'll open it up inside. There we go. So it's the Gillette Aristocrat Slim. Absolutely no difference in the razor between the Slim, the nickel, and I think there might just be a tad difference in the blade cap, but otherwise everything's the same knurling, etc. Let's have a look at this. Very, very nice lining. I've seen quite a few of these over the last couple of years come up on eBay, and I've just haven't been tempted, but this time around this one got me. I think I got it for a nice price from memory. So on top it looks like it's never been used, but underneath it appears like that's down where the handle meets the base plate, and this just in on that base plate there, it might be soap residue. So maybe it has been used a couple of times, but otherwise, yeah, it's only been lightly used. Nice, absolutely nice. See how it so nice and crisp. With the changing of the settings. So beautiful razor, and beautiful to shave with this too. One of my most favourite Gillette adjustable, the Slim. So that's going to look beautiful in my collection, so I'll put that to one side. Oh man, this one, I never thought I'd get hold of one, and two came up within a week or so, or a few weeks of each other, and I was lucky enough to get hold of one, and a fellow collector, Mickle, he got hold of another one as well. So I really didn't think I'd come across one of these. Just that one little nick. Yeah, it looks like it's lifted. It's been caught on something. Besides that, look at that. Similar to the Diplomat case, I believe, but a different colour. Let's open it up. Oh, we got filling inside, but look at that before I take the rest off. Gotta be joking me. Rightio. Let's do this one slowly. So these are blades, so let's see which ones they are. We may have to call on the Gillette knife, or scalpel really, I think, best way to describe it. Mind my fingers. Rightio. London Bridge. I believe these have a bit of a reputation for being very good blades. Drop a note in the comment section, please. made in England. So that's nice. There we go. Okay. Blue Double Life. British made. I absolutely have no idea about these blades, so if you know something about them, please leave a comment in the comment section, please. Tell me about them. Tell me what you know. Let's get back to the money shop. Okay. Look inside that case. Just a little bit of a clean up there to get rid of some of the dust. That's going to look magnificent. Getting somewhere. Magnificent. Rightio. So just looking at it, I would say it's potentially been lightly used. Let's have a look underneath. Usually this is where it gives it away because it is harder to clean the base plates. I would say lightly used at this stage. Opens up evenly. It's a bit tight, probably needs a bit of an oiling. But then again, it's nice and smooth. Look, this could be new old stock, but I'm going to lead towards very lightly used, but I could be wrong. This is in magnificent condition. Let's place that in there. There we have it. What a beautiful razor. As I said, you don't see many of these on the market at all. And to find one in this condition, it was like, oh, I've just got to have it. Just absolutely magnificent. Beautiful, beautiful presentation. Okay, let's put those two together. I'll just lift them back so you can get a better look. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I can't wait for you all to see this one. I can't wait to put these into my collection. And to show my partner. She'll roll her eyes and go, yes dear. There it is. Thank you so much for watching. And we'll be back soon. Ciao for now.